Oh boy.
Wow.
How's that?
That looks fantastic.
That worked out pretty good, huh?
I
Not a
think
bad
that's
first
great.
swing.
Yeah.
You know?
You
There.
can actually see a reflection now.
Yo, totally. Yeah, that's fantastic. The little polisher, I really prefer when there's contours. Contours in little areas like this. With the big pad, I'm gonna throw compound into these. With the little pad, I can kind of get around them. Now, sometimes on cars that are not that bad, people will mention, oh, the visco clay can mar, right? It can leave marks on the finish. If you're polishing it again anyway,
Might as well just get it done quick.
who cares? Yeah. So yeah, give that a quick wipe. Let's see what it looks like. And you know, the goal is just to have it slick so that we don't. The worst thing in the world is you polish out a whole car only to feel it and the finish is bumpy. Then you got to clay it, which then mars the finish up a little bit. Then you have to re-polish it. So
Doing more work now.
the blue pad is doing a great job. But if we throw a little bit of polish on there just for giggles,
A little
a little something.
little
Yeah.
chef's kiss.
So now we know what we have to do. Guess what? Is it time for us to race?
Get to work.
Are you gonna do the roof?
I'll do the roof.
Why don't you take the big polisher?
I'm on it. So the day has come.
Yes.
We had a lot of fun, but I wish we could have got a little bit more out of it.
Oh, okay.
It was a little bit. It's a little bit of work, just a little
Okay.
bit. But
Right. I mean, the car sat for a really long time.
it did. I hope you like it.
Okay, well, let's take a look.
So here it is.
Oh my God. This is a different car.
Now, when you brought this to us, originally it was going to be just a wash my dirty barn find, but I told you I want to kind of take it a step further, and we kind of wanted to do more of a restoration. So we really kind of stripped it down. We took off that nice thick layer of oxidation that was in the paint,
Right.
And it's going to be protected now with our ceramic coating. So that's like, we just added an extra layer of clear coat onto the car, essentially. So now it's gonna last longer, it's gonna be protected for more years to come, because I know that you have a plan to keep this for a long time, right?
Oh, it's gonna cruise all of Southern California for sure. It'll be at all of the events. It looks amazing. The glass looks see-through. It looks like brand new glass actually, and the interior looks like a different color.